Preparation of salts. By reaction of a by reaction between acids and bases. By reaction between acids and bases. For example, now we can take sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is reacted with hydrochloric acid to the formation of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride formula is NaCl and water is produced. Sodium chloride salt is produced and water is produced. Potassium hydroxide is reacted with sulfuric acid to the formation of potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate formula is K2SO4 and water is produced. Okay, how to balance this equation? Now we can take potassium hydroxide in front of, now we can take two potassiums are balanced, one sulfate is balanced, two hydrogens, four hydrogens, water molecule in front of two twos are four, hydrogens are balanced, two oxygens are balanced. Now the total equation is balanced. Okay, potassium hydroxide, 2 moles of potassium hydroxide is reacted with sulfuric acid to the formation of potassium sulfate salt and water are produced. And the next one, magnesium hydroxide is reacted with nitric acid. Nitric acid formula is HNO3. Now we can get magnesium nitrate. Magnesium nitrate formula is MgNO3 twice. MgNO3 twice. And water is produced. How to balance this equation? Mg balance. Okay. HNO3 in front of 2 NO3s are balanced. Okay, 2 hydrogens, four hydrogens, H2O in front of, now we can take 4 hydrogens are balanced, 2 oxygens are balanced. Now the total equation is balanced. In this case, acids and bases are reacted with each other to the formation of salts and water. And the next one, by the reaction of a metal with an acids. Now we can take metals, sodium metal, magnesium metal, potassium, calcium, like that. Sodium is reacted with hydrochloric acid to the formation of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride formula is NaCl and H2 gas is evolved. How to balance this equation? 2 moles of sodium is reacted with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. Now we can get 2 moles of sodium chloride salt and H2 gas is evolved. Okay, and the next one, magnesium is reacted with hydrochloric acid to the formation of magnesium chloride salt. And hydrogen gas is evolved. How to balance this equation? Magnesium balance, HCl in front of, now we can take 2. Okay, Mg balance, 2Cl balance, 2H is balanced. Now the total equation is balanced. Okay, na? Okay. Next one, potassium is reacted with hydrochloric acid to the formation of potassium chloride. Potassium chloride formula is KCl and hydrogen gas is evolved. Hydrogen gas is evolved. How to balance this equation? 2 moles of potassium metal is react with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. 2 moles of hydrochloric acid to the formation of 2 moles of potassium chloride. 2 moles of potassium chloride salt and hydrogen gas is evolved. And the last equation is calcium is reacted with sulfuric acid. Calcium is reacted with sulfuric acid to the formation of calcium sulfate. To the formation of calcium sulfate and hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay. Calcium is reacted with sulfuric acid to the formation of calcium sulfate salt and hydrogen gas is evolved. This is the important reactions of salts. And the next one, by the reaction of a metal oxides with an acids by the reaction of a metal oxides with an acids. Metal oxide, for example, now we can take magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, next ZnO, zinc oxide. Okay. Magnesium oxide is reacted with hydrochloric acid to the formation of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride formula is MgCl2 and water is produced. How to balance this equation? Now we can take HCl in front of, now we can apply 2. Now the total equation is balanced. Mg balance, 2Cl, 2Cl balance, 2H, 2H balance, 1 oxygen balance. Now the total equation is balanced. Calcium oxide is reacted with sulfuric acid to the formation of calcium sulfate and water is produced. Now the total equation is balanced. Zinc oxide is reacted with sulfuric acid to the formation of zinc sulfate and water is produced. Zinc sulfate and water is produced. Okay, now this is the important reactions of metal oxides with an acids. Okay, next one, by the reaction of a metal carbonates with an acids. Metal carbonates, now we can take zinc carbonate, calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate. Zinc carbonate is reacted with hydrochloric acid to the formation of zinc chloride and water and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. How to balance this equation? Zn is balanced. HCl in front of, now we can take 2Cl balance, 2 hydrogens balance, 1 carbon balance. Okay, 3 oxygens, 1 plus 2, 3 oxygens are balanced. Okay, now the total equation is balanced. Calcium carbonate is reacted with sulfuric acid. Now we can get calcium sulfate, CaSO4, calcium sulfate and water and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Now the total equation is balanced. Sodium carbonate is reacted with hydrochloric acid to the formation of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride formula is NaCl, water and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Okay, how to balance this equation? 2 moles of sodium, so 2 times of sodium. Now we can take sodium chloride in front of 2 sodiums are balanced. 2Cl, HCl in front of, now we can take 2, 2Cl, 2Cl balance, 1 carbon is balanced, 3 oxygens, 1 plus 2, 3 oxygens are balanced, next one, 2 hydrogens balanced. Now the total equation is balanced. This is the important preparation of salts from metal carbonates with acids. And the next one, general properties of salts. General properties of salts. General properties of salts. Physical property. Almost all salts are in solid state. Almost salts are in solid state. They have high melting and boiling points. They have high melting and boiling points. Solubility of water. Solubility of water. For example, salts of sodium, potassium, like that. In this type of salts are soluble in water. Salts of silver, mercury, lead, etc. In this type of salts, insoluble in water. And the last important property is water of crystallization. What is meant by water of crystallization? The water is associated with crystal of any salt. This is called water of crystallization. Salts containing water of crystallization, this is called as hydrated salts. Hydrated salts. For example, now we can take different types of hydrated salts. Now we can take hydrated salts. Hydrated salts. Copper sulfate. Formula is CuSO4 dot 5H2O. CuSO4 dot 5H2O. Copper sulfate This is called as copper 2 sulfate. This is called as copper 2 sulfate. This is also called as copper sulfate pentahydrate. This is also called as copper sulfate pentahydrate in blue color. Blue color. And the next salt is iron sulfate. Iron sulfate. This is also called as iron 2 sulfate. Iron 2 sulfate. Formula is FeSO4 dot 7H2O. FeSO4 dot 7H2O in light green. Light green. And the next one, light green. Next one, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. This is called as washing soda. This is also called as this is called washing soda. Washing soda. This is also called as sodium carbonate decahydrate. This is also called as sodium carbonate decahydrate in white color. In white color. Next one, Epsom salt. Epsom salt. Epsom salt formula is MgSO4 dot 7H2O. MgSO4 dot 7H2O. This is also called as magnesium sulfate. This is also called as magnesium sulfate. It is in white color. It is in white color. It is the important hydrated salts. These are the important hydrated salts. And the next important one, next one. Okay, thank you.